hoping to make it by 1 p.m. Yes, says 12:55. We asked them if we could be 5 to 10 minutes late. We didn't get a response. We're headed to Bound Brook, New Jersey for our rental car for today's shoot. This is a different shoot, different type of shoot. We usually go to a studio. This is the first time we're basically doing a shoot outside, and instead of a studio, we have a vehicle. So it's gonna be different. I'm excited, honestly. I think this is like a really cool thing to experience. How hectic was it until we got over here? It was craziness this morning. I got to New York, and first my mom got locked out. That was one thing. Then it was like I come to the warehouse and like none of the products are there, and then my car was double parked outside. But we're here now, and we're on our way. Maybe a little squat down. Is that giving?
As long as your pants don't rip.
I'm dead. I got a little bit of space.